In this video, I'll show you how to reset your HP DeskJet 3755 printer or any other HP printers that have this shape. I know there's many of them with different names. So how to do this? Very easy. Make sure that the printer is turned on. And to know that it's turned on, you need to have something going on this screen. So I'll tell you what you need to do and then I'll demonstrate. What you need to do is to keep press this power button 2 seconds, and without releasing it, you're gonna press this X button during 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, release this X button, keep press this power button during 2 seconds, and then release everything. The printer will print a page over here that the printer got reset. And to do this, obviously you'll need to insert some paper here in the paper tray. Let me do it. You can insert any paper, even if it has something on it. It does not matter because we're not interested of what's written on it. So place the paper there. Now let me demonstrate. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Like this. Now wait a few seconds, something will come out here. And by the way, again, this is not important what's written here. It's just to confirm that the printer got resetted. Great. And you are done. And by the way, if you're still having issue with your printer, even after resetting it for no matter what reason, what you can do is while it's turned on, go in the back and unplug it. Unplug the power cord. Wait 5 minutes. And during this 5 minutes you wait, you're going to press this power button during 30 seconds to drain any excess energy, any excess charge. After 30 seconds, release. And after the 5 minutes has elapsed, you can plug it back. Like this. And now press the power button and use the printer the way you were used to use it. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.